This is a Bronx-bound 7 express train. The next stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street. This is Grand Central, 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, 6, and shuttle to Times Square. Connection is available to Metro North. This is a Bronx-bound 7 express train. The next stop is 59th Street. This is 59th Street.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, N, R, and W trains.
A free transfer is available to the F and Q trains by walking to the Lexington Avenue 63rd Street station and using your Metro card.
This is a Bronx-bound 7 express train. The next stop is 86th Street. This is 86th Street. Transfer is available to the 6 train. Transfer to the M86 Select Bus Service. This is a Bronx-bound 7 express train. The next stop is 125th Street. This is 125th Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, and 6 trains. Transfer is available to the M60 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. Connection is available to Metro North. This is a Bronx-bound 7 train. The next stop is 138th Street Grand Concourse.
The electronic strip maps are not in service. Please listen for announcements and watch the displays.
This is 138th Street Grand Concourse.
Transfer is available to the 4 train.
This is a 161st Street Yankee Stadium bound 7 train. The next stop is 149th Street Grand Concourse. This is 149th Street Grand Concourse.
Transfer is available to the 2, 4, and 5 trains.
The next and last stop is 161st Street Yankee Stadium. This is 161st Street Yankee Stadium. Transfer is available to the 4 train. Transfer to the BX6 Select Bus Service.